BOS Amazing Odor Sealing Baby Disposable Diaper Bags by BOS is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Bags measure 7/8 x 11, 8 inches, 20 x 30 cm, refer to the image for the detail. Durable and strong enough. A safer and more sanitary way to dispose of diapers or any foul-smelling substances. Not only does it seal in any odor, not just limited to soiled diapers, but it even seals in bacteria. Also great for feminine products disposal. High performance by phenomenal odor sealing technology will surprise you. The bags are unscented. Easy to use. Place diapers or any foul-smelling substances in the bag and tie a knot. The bags do not have handle to tie, securely sealed and amazingly odor-free. A value pack of 200 bags. Comes in a compact box and each bag is easily dispensed, not on rolls. Soft material and easy to tie. Opaque pink color.